Hey, Kamin, good morning. It's Jack Laraway, Fireland Chevrolet Buick. Hey, I just want to send you a real quick video on some of our used truck inventory. I've got double cabs, crew cabs, Fords, Chevys, Dodges, plow trucks. This is a really nice crew cab, F-150. Another double cab Chevy. That Ford's a good looking truck, XLT. Regular cab HDs, crew cab F-250s. I've got a lot out back as well that we're waiting to get through our service department. Everything's fully serviced and inspected and detailed before a customer comes out on the lot. So this is a Colorado ZR2. I got a 2019 Trail Boss back there that we just had traded in. One of these is a Texas edition. This is the red LTZ. That's a great looking truck, a lot of chrome. This is it, the Texas edition. Another fantastic looking truck. So please feel free, give me a call. My number is 440-829-0272. Jack Laraway with Fireland Chevrolet Buick. Thanks, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.